Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Restore Outlook AutoComplete contacts. Let's go start. Go to this PC and go to Local Drive C. Go to View on the top bar. Then click on Options under View. Click Change Folder and search Options. Open New Interface and switch tab to View. Turn on Show Hidden File under Advanced Settings. Back to C Drive and click Users. Click on your current user's name. Click on App Data. Click Local. Click on Microsoft. Click on Outlook. Click on Roam Cache. Select All and copy. Create a new folder on desktop and paste here. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now delete the Roam Cache all data. Close the window. Open Outlook and set the new data file, and set up default. Click Email and click Change Folder. Select New Inbox and create Recent Data File. This PC. Click Local Disk C. Click Users. Click on your current user's name. Click on App Data. Click Local. Click on Microsoft. Click on Outlook. Click on Roam Cache. We have to do is just give the old file the same name as the new file. And to do that, I'm just going to right-click on the new file here and say Rename, and then right-click again and say Copy. And then I'll have to browse to the directory where I have the old Stream AutoComplete file. Rename. Copy the Stream AutoComplete. Go to the Already Store Copy Old Data. Select the big size Steam AutoComplete file and right-click on it. And paste here. Do you want to rename? Then click Yes. Copy the AutoComplete. Back to Roam Cache file. Paste here. Follow me. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Open the Outlook and check the AutoComplete. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.